If you're trying to figure out how to set up email automations for webinars and want a quick, no-fluff tutorial that actually works, this video is for you. By the end of this 3-minute guide, you'll have a working automation ready to go, and I'll also share how you can test it before your webinar goes live. Plus, I've tried all the popular platforms, and I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial for the software I personally recommend, only available through my channel. First, go ahead and create a new webinar registration landing page. This could be hosted through your website or a tool like ClickFunnels, Leadpages, or built into the software we'll be using. The key is that it must connect to your email list. Next, once someone registers, trigger the automation. In our software, you can select New Form Submission or Tag Added as your automation starting point. Just make sure it's linked to your webinar form or landing page. Now build your email sequence. At a minimum, you need 3 core emails. 1, a confirmation email sent immediately after they sign up. 2, a reminder email 24 hours before the webinar. 3, a final reminder 15 to 30 minutes before you go live. You can add extras like a 1 hour before reminder or a here's what you'll learn teaser email the next day, but don't overcomplicate it. Inside our software, drag in an email block after the trigger, write your subject line, and customize your content. Keep it short and actionable. For example, subject: your confirmed webinar details inside. Body: thanks for signing up. The webinar link is below. We'll send you a reminder closer to the start time. Use time delays between each email. For example, after the confirmation, set a delay of 23 hours, then send the 24-hour reminder. After that, use a shorter delay of 23.5 hours to send your final 30-minute reminder. If your webinar runs at different times for different people, make sure the tool you're using supports dynamic or evergreen webinar dates. Before you publish, test the automation, register using a test email, and confirm that every email comes through at the right time. This is crucial, and yes, you can do all of this inside the software we're using today. I chose it after testing ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, and more, because it's the simplest and most effective for webinars. There's a free trial linked in the description, exclusively for viewers of Dan Thorne's channel. You won't find this offer elsewhere. Here's the key takeaway. When setting up email automations for webinars, timing and simplicity are everything. You don't need a massive sequence, just well-timed, clear messages that get your audience to show up. Quick recap. Set up a registration form or page, trigger automation on form submission. Create a 3-email sequence, confirmation, 24-hour reminder, and 30-minute reminder. Use delays to time them correctly. Test everything before going live. If you want to follow along using the same tool I recommend, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. That's it. Quick, effective, and ready to launch.